In this tutorial, we'll learn how to utilize a template created using the Invent plugin for Adobe InDesign. We'll export the template from InDesign and add it to Infigo via a MegaEdit product type. So I've got Invent loaded up on my screen right now, or InDesign with the Invent plugin, and we're working on a product here which is in progress, and we may want to actually just test it out on our Infigo storefront just to see how it's working. So we need to export a file from here that we can then import back into our Infigo storefront. So we just need to navigate over to the Export tab on our Infigo Invent plugin. Now remember, if you don't have the plugin visible over here, then you can get to it from Window, Extensions, and then Infigo Invent. So head over to Export. It will give you a summary of what you've added to your Invent design. And then we just need to come down to the bottom of this export page here. And initially we need to set an export file. Click Start Validations. That will actually go ahead and check that everything's okay before the export takes place. There's a few different message types that may appear, so if there's things not linked together that the plugin believes there should be. However, most likely is that you're just going to get a notification that you actually need to save the document before exporting. So any messages will appear in this validation section here. So resolve any of those problems and just click on Export. You are required to confirm that you have the license to use all media and fonts in the exported content. Next, we need to navigate to our Infigo admin area and find a product that we want to actually utilize. Now, this could be a product that we've already set up, but what we're going to need to do is convert a stock product into a MegaEdit type product. So you could have done this already. You may want to change one of your existing MegaEdit products into one that utilizes this Invent template. That's absolutely fine. So this is where I convert any of my stock products to a MegaEdit type product. I just go to Add New on the top right and select the product that I want to convert. Now, if we are utilizing an Invent file, we can specify it at this stage, the one we want to use. You can specify this later as well, so there's no requirement to do this right now. I just go to Choose a File, and I'm going to locate the file that we just created from Invent. So that'll be an MEX file type, and just click Open. Then go to Create a new MegaEdit product up on the top right of the screen. And that is basically all you need to do. That will now take you to your MegaEdit product details. If you want to review the information that's been imported as part of the MEX file, you can do so by clicking MEX Import. And what you'll find is that a lot of the resources that we'll need for our MegaEdit products have automatically been created for us from the Invent file. So whereas if we're creating a MegaEdit product manually, you do need to create a canvas and a stock and output type, as we've seen in previous tutorials. By importing an Invent file, you get these automatically created. So you can see here that there's a canvas being created, a stock item, and an output type based on the specification of our Invent file. You can see as well that there's other information being brought in on the right-hand side, other resources, so things like fonts and clip art data. And all that has been automatically linked to our MegaEdit product. So you can see that the canvas has already been assigned, stock, any relevant clip arts, and so on. From here, we can go ahead and launch our new product. And our exported invent template, whatever we've configured, will now be available within MegaEdit.